How to reset Google Chrome to default settings. Open Google Chrome. Click the three-dot button at the top right corner and click Settings. In the left pane, scroll down and select Reset Settings. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click Reset Settings in the confirmation dialog. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout.